So we have a 1987 Grady White that lost its hardtop due to hitting a tree. You can see we used all grip finish for the hardtop, as well as the console. Everything here has been refinished with nice grit. The last one was worn out. We were not able to find the extrusion for his half windows that he had, so we made him this really nice full enclosure that just wraps around. Non-skid on top as well, if they got to get up there for some sight fishing. This is a bright dipped aluminum framing. That's his new hardtop structure, along with his dash. It was resprayed. We made this permanently attached. Cup holder. Gave him this grab rail, which serves a dual purpose. Before they ran wiring right through his structure, and then you were able to see all the wires. We made this grab rail here, and we ran the wires right through it. So it's just very functional for anybody in this area, and much safer. Sprayed the side as well. Gave them all new decals. Customer is to say ecstatic with the end result. Fully enclosed, staying warm and dry, and we made them whole. Check out Marine Custom Solutions for any of your boating needs. Hey guys, so you're back on your vessel, and just if you can explain a little bit of what happened and what's the result.
Had a very unfortunate incident with an oak tree. It completely took this hardtop off and destroyed all the aluminum support work. And as you can see now, we've got beautiful, brand new aluminum. The hardtop's been completely redone. It was so oxidized before. Brand new rod holders, brand new VHF antenna, new wiring. Got a little upgrade here with handlebar support. These are upgraded steps if I do need to get on the roof. Of course, the clear vinyl windshield. Well, I had the half windshield before, so a real definite upgrade here from Marine Custom Solutions.
And can you tell me a little bit about what you do with this boat?
I use this boat for chartering. We do sightseeing and fishing trips. So look
What's
us
your
up
name?
On Mac Daddy Charters.
Mac Daddy Charters.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
What's your phone number?
386-747-6839.
All right, you heard it here first. Mac Daddy Charters.
Whoop, whoop.
Nice rig.